In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect DSers to Shopify. So first of all, make sure you are on the official website of Shopify.com and already logged with your credentials in here. So as you can see in here, you'll need to avail for the plan in order to have an access to Shopify. So select a plan, but first select your shop you want to connect with DSers. So now in here, let's try to connect it to DSers. So select a plan in here. And in here, you will see a choices of plan you want to continue with. So as you can see, you'll need to connect it with your credit card or e-wallet that you want to connect with Shopify in order to avail their plan in here and to avail their offer, which is the $1. And assumingly we have an access now here in Shopify. So once you're in there, look at the left sidebar and then click on the apps, then hit the customize your store button to open the Shopify App Store. So in the App Stores, search for DSers, that is DSERS, and it should show up right at the top of the results. So click on the DSers AliExpress dropshipping app and then hit the add app button, and then you'll be asked to approve permission. So just go ahead and click install app. And once your uh, app is installed, DSers will automatically start syncing with your Shopify store. So if it doesn't connect right away, it'll ask you to log in or create a DSers account. And then follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be good to go. After it's connected, you can begin importing products from AliExpress, manage orders, and automate fulfillment directly from your DSers dashboard. And that's it, so you're now connected and ready to start dropshipping. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.